at this random car meet. Well, it's not necessarily the car meet yet, but there's already cars parked up, so we're gonna see what we can see. Got a M240 or 235. Okay, so I think it's a 235 actually. Yep, not bad. 8th gen, very clean. Of course, right-hand drive. You already know what this is. Hella clean. Damn. Sheesh. Alright, so check this out. Fully deleted. Damn, bro. You racing or what? 10th gen. Type R. Pretty clean. Got a Porsche right here. Woo. This is the one. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Sheesh. RX-7. Clean. You know how I feel about E90 M3s. I used to have one. Miss it very much. This one's very clean. It is a DCT, but I love it. See what exhaust. I don't recognize it, but very clean. Next to an E46 M3 as well. Nice. This one is SMG. All right, so there's a C8, but it's right-hand drive. It's crazy to see. Oh my gosh. Very nice spec as well. Nice. Look at that. I miss mine. Bro, they pulled up with 4 M2s. What the same color too. What is good? Okay, there's 2 more. These boys run deep, man. Out here in Japan. Yo. Look at this dude. What is this? Yo, this is it right here.